Good morning, y'all. The 2018-19 Ashley Hall Technology Competition is off and running, and this is a quick tutorial in case you prefer to see it visually about how you can get started in this competition. The first thing you'll need to do is visit ahinnovation.org. And at the top, select Technology Teacher Matrix. This page has everything you'll need to know about the competition, why we started it, the different matrices you can choose from, FAQs, and of course, what's at stake, and eventually a leaderboard. When you're ready to get started, you'll need to select one of the 5 matrices categories here. So let's say I want to explore communication and collaboration. I'm going to open that tab up. And no matter which category you pick, the matrix will look very similar. So here's communication and collaboration. You see Google Calendar, Gmail, and Google Drive. The goal of this initiative is to have you self-assess where you are with specific tools, and then use the resources linked below in the matrix to help level up or move across the categories. So in this example, if I'm looking at Google Calendar, to self-assess, I'll look at getting started, growing with the tool, and mastering the tool, and see where I personally feel I fit within these categories. In this example, let's say I, with Google Calendar, am great with growing with the tool. I can manage my events, and I feel comfortable adding an event to my calendar, but I don't really know how to find a room or find a time. So in this app, my goal is to move from growing with the tool to mastering the tool using the Google Calendar resources below or attending one of Ed's sessions, my sessions. As you go through it, you self-pace, you learn, you find out how to find a time, you learn to book a room, you feel really comfortable with the Google Calendar. You feel that you've moved from growing with the tool to mastering the tool. When you're ready, back on the innovation website, underneath the matrix is a reflection submission. If you open this up, it's a Google Calendar, and you simply put in your first name, which team you belong to, which tool you just worked on. Here you're going to share a link to your artifact. So this can be a screenshot if you joined Twitter or if you did something in Google Calendar, or you can just share the link to your Google Doc or Google Sheet that you worked on. So if you had to learn how to use conditional formatting in a Google Sheet, you may just take that Google Sheet link and post it here to show as your evidence. One thing you learned in this level up, so I really love conditional formatting or finding a time in Google Calendar. It's going to make my life a lot easier. And I'm going to use that with my parents, actually, and booking meetings with them. You go ahead and click on Submit, and that's it. Now, for what's at stake, you'll notice here in the bottom, there's 5 levels of tiers. So if you do it 5 times, you'll earn a Bluetooth speaker, which I know many of you travel to different rooms, so connecting to the sound is not the easiest. So this should hopefully solve that problem and give you a chance just to bring a speaker with you. If you level up 10 times, well, of course you get the Bluetooth speaker, and then we'll include a phone charger for your phone or iPad. It's a nice little external battery pack, great for traveling and on the road. And then if you do it 15 times, you'll get all 3 prizes, which include the Amazon gift card for $20, which in time for the holidays or in a birthday coming up in the spring, a great way just to honor your efforts as an individual. And of course, as a team, you'll see there, team prizes, we are offering an extra drawing in the monthly perks for the team who completes the most. So if you're a go-getter and an individual, you'll of course be helping out yourself and your team. And we hope that you motivate the rest of the people on your team to kind of push forward to get those extra perk drawings. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email or catch me in person. And I look forward to seeing all of your work and moving forward with technology on campus. Thank you.